On this slide, I will read each of the words to you, and then I will read the questions with the blanks. For the recording, you may pause as you need to. In order to answer the question, you will click and you will type your answer using the words on the side. There is no dragging today. You can't move them over, okay? So today it's just type your answer in the box. Your words on the side are the bank to pull from. So let's get started. Here are my words: playgrounds, paved, rural, nearby, natural, towns, urban, sidewalks, city, neighborhoods. Question number 1. In suburban community, roads are blank. You may pause if you need to. Number 2. More people live here than in blank communities. Number 3. Less people live here than in blank communities. Number 4. Suburban communities are often referred to as. Number 5. People live in blank. Number 6. Neighbors usually live blank. Number 7. There are many blank areas. Number 8. People may be able to walk to places on blank. Number 9. Suburban communities are often close to a blank. And number 10. There may be blank or parks for children to play.